As a Potterhead, this is a must experience when you're in Tokyo. The sets are very nostalgic, and there are also a lot of interactive things to try. You really get to immerse yourself in the wizarding world and learn more about the behind the scenes. I recommend allocating 3 to 4 hours to get to enjoy everything. Smile. This tour makes my HP fan heart so very happy. I spent almost 6 hours because I also ate lunch there. If you're a solo traveler, try to buddy up with another solo traveler so you can take pictures of each other. You can't use a tripod. Was an amazing experience. Definitely a highlight of my trip and have been wanting to go for ages. I went by myself and still had a great time. I should stayed longer as you could easily spend 4+ hours here. My inner Harry Potter nerd went crazy, and it's true what they say that you need several hours to see everything. All the sets and seeing the movie magic is every Harry Potter kid's dream come to life. Down to the details in the gift shop, everything is Harry Potter world and more. This was genuinely the most magical tour I have ever been on. Being a Harry Potter fan and seeing all the details in the sets that you walk through, I was blown away. I love the different aspects in costume, set design, and sound production, super informative, and I learned a lot about the movie's production. There was also a lot of hands-on and interactive exhibits which were super fun. Highly recommend. Booking with Klook was easy and entering the tour was prompt. Absolutely incredible. Ticket was so easy to use and honestly is a must-do for any Harry Potter fan. The special effects are amazing. You can be put into the movie, get a video of you using flu powder. We loved every minute and honestly would have brought the entire store out. Opened a good experience. We booked at 13:00 but arrived at 11:30. We were able to eat at the cafe, buy costumes and exciting items first. Plus, there were discounted promotional items cheaper than USJ. The tour was fun. There were steps to tell stories to wow at every point. You can take beautiful photos with complete lighting and sound. And there were activities to join in the fun to get beautiful pictures. Recommended. As a fan of Harry Potter and Fantastic Beasts, I gained a deeper appreciation for the production team behind these widely loved magical films. Seeing their sketches, actual props, sounds, and behind-the-scenes work proved they were the dream team. BTW, be sure to register on iMagic early in the tour to collect digital copies of interactive content from some corners of the studio. A great keepsake. It was a nice experience, especially for someone who've watched all the HP franchise. Staff were accommodating even though we missed our 10:30 booking by 30 minutes, they still let us in. A must-try for HP fans out there. If you're a Harry Potter fan visiting Japan, Warner Bros. Studio Tour Tokyo is a must-see experience that brings the magic of the wizarding world to life in incredible detail. Located at the site of the former Toshiman amusement park in Nerima, Tokyo, this immersive attraction is the first of its kind in Asia and is every bit as enchanting as its counterpart in London. From the moment you enter, the tour pulls you into the world of Harry Potter with authentic film sets, original costumes, and behind-the-scenes secrets from the making of the films. You get to walk through iconic locations like the Great Hall, Diagon Alley, and the Forbidden Forest. There's even a life-sized Hogwarts Express at platform 9 3/4, perfect for photo ops and Instagram-worthy moments. What sets the Tokyo tour apart is its beautifully curated Japanese exclusive exhibits and its seamless integration of interactive elements. You can ride a broomstick in front of a green screen, practice wand choreography, or even step into the Ministry of Magic and feel like part of the story. The attention to detail is astonishing, everything from props to animatronics feels straight out of the movies. The tour is well organized and caters to both hardcore fans and casual visitors. Staff are friendly, knowledgeable, and happy to share trivia about the franchise. There's also a huge gift shop filled with exclusive merchandise and a theme cafe where you can try butterbeer or magical treats. Verdict. Whether you're reliving your childhood memories or discovering the magic for the first time, the Warner Bros. Studio Tour Tokyo is an unforgettable experience. It's a dream come true for Potterheads and a world-class attraction that holds its own as a cultural highlight in Tokyo. Rating, 5/5 stars.